January 1st, you told yourself, this is my year. The year I change. The year I finally chase my dreams. The year I build the freedom I've always imagined. You sit down at your desk, open your laptop. You're working on that new project. But after 3 hours, 48 YouTube videos, and a rabbit hole of tabs, you've done nothing. No progress, no clarity, just mental noise. You're not lazy, you're not broken, but your mind has been hijacked. And if you don't fix that, your goals, they die before they even begin. Part 1. Your brain is addicted to distraction. Want to build something great? A business, a strong body, a future you're proud of. Then you need focus. Not half-scrolling, half-working kind of focus, deep focus. But here's the catch. We're all addicted to noise. Ping, scroll, swipe, click. You check your phone every 10 minutes. Your mind craves dopamine. And every time you feed it, you train your brain to need more. And when your brain is trained for chaos, it can't create anything meaningful. What to do? Turn your phone off. Not silent. Off. Leave it in another room. Start with 24 hours. You'll realize something crazy. You're not addicted to your phone. You're addicted to escaping your own thoughts. That's the real prison. Now here's your weapon to break free. For the next 30 days, track your time in 30-minute blocks. At the end of each day, ask, what did I actually do today? Then cut out the garbage. Be ruthless. Do this daily, and you'll separate yourself from 99% of people sleepwalking through life. Part 2. You're lost and don't even know it. Most people feel stuck, not because they don't want to grow, but because they have no idea where they're going. They want change, but they don't have a map, so they freeze. Welcome to the anti-zone, that mental space where you know you should be doing more, but you don't know what, so you do nothing. Some people live in the anti-zone for years. The escape. You need to find your zone, that rare state where time disappears and you're fully locked in. You felt it before, in the gym, in the middle of a passion project, during a deep convo that lasted hours. That's not magic, that's clarity. And clarity comes from one question. What do I actually want? Not what your parents want, not what society expects. What do you want in your soul? Once you know that, your next step becomes obvious. And if you work on that step every single day, you'll enter the zone and stay there. Part 3. You're running on garbage fuel. You are a system. What you put in is what you get out. If your energy sucks, if your focus disappears, if your discipline crashes every 2 days, it's not motivation. It's the fuel you're running on. Bad food equals slow brain. No sleep equals no focus. Toxic environment equals low drive. Your brain is your operating system, and most people feed it garbage, then wonder why life feels stuck. The fix. Eat clean. Move daily. Sleep like it matters, because it does. Don't underestimate this. 1 week of treating your brain right will blow your mind. 30 days? You'll feel like a new person. 90 days, you won't even recognize your old self. This is how you level up, from the inside out. Final message. If your brain is in chaos, your life will be too. You don't need more motivation. You don't need a new planner. You don't need to try harder. You need clarity. You need structure. You need to control the machine that runs your life. You need to control your mind. So stop scrolling. Start building. Stop escaping. Start facing. Because if you don't take control of your mind, life will control it for you. If you watch till the end, comment, no more distractions. Let's see who's really serious. I will reply your comments.